Tom here at Sharpening Supplies. Struggling with an annoyingly dull knife? This is your shortcut to sharpness. Meet the Worksharp Rolling Knife Sharpener. 4 precise angles tailored for everything. Your kitchen knives, pocket knives, even your outdoor knives. From a coarse 320 grit diamond, a 600 grit diamond, and a fine ceramic, this will get your knives razor sharp. This is the knife sharpener for someone that wants a straightforward sharpening solution. Simply position, glide, flip, and switch. That's it. And when you're done, it neatly tucks away. It's quick and easy, giving you more time to do the things you love. Upgrade your blade game today. Click the link below in the description to buy yours now. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribe for more.